So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to go to the advanced tab. And now once we're here, you want to click on change. And now this will come up. And now once we're here, you want to untick this box and then click on custom size. You want to set your initial size to your current allocated size right here. For me, it's 1920 MB. So right here for the initial size, I'm going to type in 1920. For the maximum size, you want to type in your RAM in megabytes times 2. So you want to go to search and type in calculator. Click on it. So for me on this computer, I've got 8 gigabytes of RAM installed. 1 gigabyte is 1024 megabytes. So I'm going to do 1024 times 8 because I've got 8 gigabytes of RAM installed. And then click on equals. In your case, you want to do 1024 times the amount of RAM that you have on your computer. Once you get this number, you want to times it by 2. Times by 2, and then click on equals. And the number that you get here, you want to type in the maximum size. So for me, for maximum size, I'm going to type in 16384. You want to type in the number that you get here. Times your RAM by 2, and it's going to be this number. Once that's been done, you want to click on set, and then click on OK. Click on OK again. Now, you just want to restart your computer. And then that's how you do it. Your RAM speed is now going to be increased.